Are you ready to dive into a world of mesmerizing visuals and captivating creativity? Buckle up, because today, we're unveiling the ultimate arsenal of AI animation tools that'll bring your images to life like never before. But before we jump in, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like if you're ready to unleash your inner artist, and don't forget to drop a comment sharing your favorite animation tool. Now, let's dive into the magic. I recently discovered this amazing free AI tool that literally brings your artwork to life with 3D animations and depth effects. It's called Leia Pix and it is mind-blowing. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take any image, it could be AI-generated art from Midjourney or DALL-E, or even photos you take on your phone, and turn them into these incredible 3D depth animations that look like they are popping off the screen. The best part is, LeiaPix is 100% free to use right now. Their AI models power all of the 3D effects automatically with just a few clicks. Let me show you how it works. First, go to convert.leiapix.com and create a free account. The best and fastest way to create an account and sign in is using your Gmail account. You can use the link in the description for your convenience. Once you're logged in, click the plus icon to upload an image. I'll use few fantastic AI art that I have on hand. I already uploaded them on Leia Pix Converter. In literally seconds, Leia Pix processes your image and creates an interactive 3D preview. There are so many customization options to play with too. You can control the speed, motion, focus, and so much more. For this surreal wave image, I want to make it seem like she's really floating along, so I'll slow down the speed and adjust the motion to more of an elliptical horizontal orbit. For the best effect, play around with the image until you're satisfied with it. Look how it brings everything together. These images flow nicely and the waves come to life. It's like this 2D art has become an immersive 3D experience. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button if you're getting value from this video. Now let's try it with an actual photo. I'll use this picture here. Wow! Look how it gives it that 3D depth where her eyes follow you as you move the camera. As I continue to play around with the animation style and amount of motion, I like the tall circle style. However, I have to admit that LeiaPix is not perfect. For example, when you select the circle style, it does this kind of weird looking thing behind her legs. But I can only imagine that LeiaPix will only get better with time. The possibilities are endless with LeiaPix. You could animate your favorite AI portraits, landscapes, abstract images, anything you can imagine. As you can see, I animated a still image of an astronaut on a horse. It's pretty cool. Once you're happy with your animated image, you can download it to your computer or share it with others. So what are you waiting for? Go try out LeiaPix to bring your images to life with 3D animations. It's a game changer for taking your digital art to the next level. Let me know in the comments what you think of LeiaPix and what tutorials you want to see next. I appreciate you all watching. See you next time. Bye for now and take care.